the reason I like coming to the ginger factory is because it has such beautiful gardens. Just on a day like today, it's just beautiful. Just walking through the gardens, looking at the ginger plants. It's really nice. It's a really nice thing to do. And it doesn't cost anything. You only pay if you choose to do a tour. But if you want to come straight in and look at all the shops and everything and go through their gardens, then that's free. You can buy the plants here, can't you?
They're 15 bucks.
Is that good?
They're yeah, you can have multi-flowers. They flower for months.
Okay.
So yeah, well, in Queensland at least.
Yeah. It's a scone with ginger in it, and it has ginger marmalade or ginger jam with cream. So a ginger take on scones with cream and jam. You can really smell the ginger, can't you? It smells amazing, I've got to say. You love ginger, don't you?
Yep.
So I'm going to give you lots.
Good job.
Good job? Well, you know this will be the highlight of the visit for me. Okay. Ginger scone with ginger marmalade and cream. Oh, yum. It's really hot, the scone. Shouldn't talk with my mouth full. It's delicious, I've got to say. Nothing feels more like summer than walking through the trees and hearing the insects, doesn't it? Are they cicadas?
Yeah.
Yeah, and crickets, probably?
No, they're cicadas.
Just beautiful, isn't it beautiful? I don't know how many times we've been here over the years, especially when we used to live on the Sunshine Coast. We used to bring our children here when they were really small, and we used to come up on holiday on the Sunshine Coast when they were really small. Matthew was a baby. But yeah, it's just beautiful, and they've still retained it all the way I remember. So it's great, isn't it? Matthew, I think that when you were little, you actually had a ride on this kangaroo. Do you remember? Look, it's got a little fish. That's the cutest shirt, isn't it? So we've finished looking around the ginger factory, and that was pretty good. Have a look at this. Hey Paul, what have you got? What have you got? Nothing. Show me. He's pretty happy. He's eating a tiny little Buderim ginger. My favourite thing. Yeah, dark chocolate ginger. Nice.
And can't get any fresher. Buderim chocolate ginger.
So why is it called Yandina? Or is it Buderim Ginger, isn't it?
It's Buderim Ginger because the original co-op back in the 1940s was started in Buderim because they used to grow ginger there, I think.
Okay.
But they moved, as Buderim grew, population grew, they moved out to Yandina.
You don't have to do a tour. You can just go walk in like us, walk around the gardens, have a coffee, have a wander around the shops. We bought a couple of Christmas presents, so that was good, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's good.
And then across the road they had Nutworks, isn't it?
Macadamia and chocolate factory.
Yeah, it's a macadamia and chocolate factory, and we figure we're so close that we may as well go have a quick look at the macadamia and chocolate factory. What do you think?
Why not?
Why not?
Yeah. Roasted macadamias, they're fresh.
Yeah, that'd be nice. And you love macadamias, don't
absolutely. we used to come here years ago. We were just talking to the chap inside, and we'd bring the kids up here. We'd go to the ginger factory. We'd always come across here and buy some macadamias.
This was the adult reward after going through the ginger factory.
That's right. Yeah, I've had the chocolate as well, but yeah, best nut in the world.
Yeah, and they've got a little cafe. I don't remember that before, so that's nice too.
Yeah.
Through there, if you can see through.
Yeah, it's a lot better
Can
than
you
it
see
was.
through the trees?
Yeah.
All things must come to an end. So. Back to Brisbane.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed our quick day trip today. It didn't take us long to get here.
No, it was a good trip up.
Probably about an hour.
The gods are smiling on us as the rain's disappeared and it's really sunny now.
Yeah, it's probably about 29-30 degrees up here today.
Might have been one of our other earlier videos. We talked about the humidity. The humidity just before was 99%, but you get used to it. We're fine.
Yeah, we're fine.
All right.
See you next time.
See ya.
Bye.